So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, so this is Gigabyte officially website. So you can see right hand side, this is for the language, and this is for the model, and this is for the search. So you have to search any, you just click on that. After that, enter your model number A620M DS3H, then hit enter. After, you can see, click on the motherboard. So after that, you have to click on support. After that, select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So no worry about it if you are using Windows 10. So because installations process same. Okay. So audio driver, this is audio. Just click to download. When you click on download, after that it automatically start downloading. You can see here I already downloaded. You can see 165, and this is also 165. Just open it after completed downloading, and for the installation. So open, and this is a exe and extracted. So you have to double click on this. Wait for some time. When you click on double click, after it will come yes or no for the installation. Now this is installing. So this is at close automatically, means this is installed. And close it. Chipset, extract AMD chipset driver, and click to download. Again, this is start downloading. Take some time. After that, just single click to open. After that, just open it. Then double click to exe. After that, it will ask yes or no, means administrator rights for the installation. Then click on yes. Now you can see this is start installations. It will take some time to install. So it is closed means is installed and the close it. LAN driver. So you'll take LAN driver. Download this one, LAN driver, and click to download. It will start downloading. Then it is done. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then just ask for yes or no because this is required the administrator rights to install. So click on yes. After that you can see this is extracting. It is closed automatically now. So that means this is installed. Required driver is fulfilled. So this is installed means this is closed install. Okay, so close it.